Gentlemen, the cabin lights will be dimmed for takeoff. Perfectly normal procedure when flying at night. For those of you that would like to continue to read, please use the reading light located in the panel on your head. Thank you. take care when opening the overhead compartments to ensure nothing falls out. And just as a reminder, smoking is not permitted. That does include electronic cigarettes, and our lavatories are all fitted with sensitive smoke detectors. There are 3 lavatories on board this aeroplane, one at the front and 2 at the rear, and some do have baby changing facilities, and the cabin crew will be happy to advise you. You may use your handheld electronic devices as long as they remain in the inclined row, and if you have any which are charging, these must be monitored at all times. On the back page of your shop magazine, you'll find some important safety information. We recommend that you do read this. On board your flight this evening, you have Liz, Jason, Ryan and myself, Sue, and if there's anything that you need, please don't hesitate to ask any one of us. We'll be back soon to tell you more about your in-flight service, so please sit back, relax and enjoy your flight out to Palma with us this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the cabin crew have increased from their seats in order to commence your in-flight service. The captain has requested, however, that you remain seated just for a short while longer until your seatbelt signs have been switched off. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, in a short while the cabin crew will be coming through the cabin with our bar service. As the captain said, unfortunately we're unable to offer you any hot food on this evening's flight. We do apologise for this. However, we do have a fantastic range of snack boxes available, including Ploughman's, afternoon tea and children's snack boxes, together with snacks from the bar, including crisps, Pringles, mini cheddars and an array of chocolates. We also have special offers on our red, white and rosé wines, together with our beers and ciders. And if you'd like to start your holiday in style, then why not order one of our full or half bottles of champagne or a full bottle of Prosecco? Just ask a member of the crew and we'll place one on ice for you. Full details of all our products can be found in the cafe menu, which is in the seat pockets in front of you. And we would appreciate it wherever possible if you could have the correct change ready with your orders. So why not take